Jesus heals a man. A man suffering from a dreaded skin disease came to Jesus, knelt down and begged him for help. "If you want to," he said, "you can make me clean." Jesus was filled with pity and reached out and touched him. "I do want to," he answered. "Be clean." At once the disease left the man, and he was clean. Then Jesus spoke sternly to him and sent him away at once. After saying to him, "Listen, don't tell anyone about this, but go straight to the priest and let him examine you. Then, in order to prove to everyone that you are cured, offer the sacrifice that Moses ordered." But the man went away and began to spread the news everywhere. Indeed, he talked so much that Jesus could not go into a town publicly. Instead, he stayed out in lonely places, and people came to him from everywhere.